What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ace Pips here. You know what I'm saying? And hey, check me out. So like, I was able to make literally $800 this morning, and I'm gonna tell you how. So basically, what I saw, right? Immediately on a higher time frame, you'll be able to see it better. But we are in a uptrend, all in all. We are in a uptrend, all in all. If you just look throughout the market, right? So immediately off rip, we're gonna be what looking for buys, right? But we're not gonna just buy anywhere. We need to wait for a break of structure and a retest of structure for a continuation of structure. In other words, the get money phase, right? So if you look closely here, we had an impulse on this trend, breaking this trend line, and then we had a retest of the trend line for a continuation of the move, right? And the market moves that way over and over again. Impulse, correction, continuation. Like right here, look, impulse, correction, continuation, get money, you know? But it just happens on different scales and on different time frames, and you got to know the right now money, in other words, right? So I was able to catch this buy once I saw that break and retest, and we also had some divergence to the downside, right? So basically what that is that price is making lower lows, right? But if we look down here on the RSI, it's making higher highs on the RSI. So that's, in other words, called divergence. That's a indication that price is about to reverse. So we take all of these as confluences, and it comes up for an entry for us to buy and execute, right? So that's how I caught that buy, and this move literally tanked. Let's see, I want to say 70 pips, I think. Here, let's see. So 61 pips, right? We was able to catch this morning, and it literally happened quick, like quick money. This market is very volatile.